a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, and Seward. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 155 has been issued until 0100 a.m. Sunday for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, and Seward. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Lincoln and...
Hey guys, SPC Lincoln 1056 here, and that is my first severe thunderstorm watch of this year. Here's the severe thunderstorm watch on the WR100. The scroll. Right here's a severe thunderstorm watch on my HH54 VP2. I mean HH54, not VB2. Here is the scroll on the WR400. Severe thunderstorm watch number 555. I think, did it say 55? I don't remember. There's a severe thunderstorm watch. What just got issued? No. It's just 155. Okay, let's restart this again. Oh, oops. I guess just continue it. Severe thunderstorm watch. Now, guys, my first severe thunderstorm watch of this year. This boy didn't go off. So yeah. And that got issued at 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, which is now 6:43. So yeah, this actually went off too. How did it go off? Unrecognized message. Well, here's the unrecognized message on the WR120. What channel is this on? Like, I was going through this, then I saw severe thunderstorm watch has been issued, and then yeah.
The wind was...
I'll leave it on channel 1. Okay. Alright. See you guys. I'll keep on recording, I'm guessing. So yeah, let's look at the counties here. There's the counties. I'm in it. That's Lancaster County. Alright. Well, time for severe weather. There's a tornado watch down south. I did not catch that. I would have gone on KZZ 69, but I cannot catch that because I'm too far away. Alright. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I'm not sure what's going to be going on, but that's our first severe thunderstorm watch in my area. So yeah.